Welcome back. In today's video we'll be looking at ways to fix headset not working on your Xbox Series X, Series S or Xbox One console. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. The first method is to simply unplug your headset and then reconnect it. Sometimes this can refresh the connection and will often fix the no microphone detected error in parties. The next method is to make sure your headset is properly connected to your console or controller and that it is designed to work with it. If you're using a USB wired headset, unfortunately it's very unlikely that this will work if you connect it to the console itself. Only very few headsets are compatible with this method and it should say on the box if it is. Nearly all wired headsets will need to use the 3.5mm connector on the Xbox controller. This is on the front of the controller. Some wireless headsets might use this too for the dongle, however the dongle could also be connected into the Xbox's USB port. Next, I'd recommend testing your headset on another device if you can, such as a PC or phone. This will allow you to test whether the issue is caused by a fault with the headset, in which case you'd need to check your warranty information. The next method is to restart your console, turn it off and then disconnect it from the power source for a few seconds, reconnect it, turn it back on, and test your headset again. We'll now have a look at some of the settings on our Xbox. First, open the settings by pressing the Xbox button on your controller and now navigate to the profile page, which is the furthest right. Now select settings and then within here, choose general from the left and then volume and audio output. On this page, first choose audio testing and details. On the right side, it will show which sound formats your devices support. Make a note of this and then head back a page and ensure that the two options on the left are set as something that had a green check mark on it from the last page. Test your headset again now and then head back to this page for some more fixes. Next, select audio testing and details again and this time select reset audio settings. Test the headset again now and then head back to this page once again. Now select the button called Additional Options. Make sure everything on this page is correct for you. For example, if you aren't getting party chat, make sure this is selected to come through the headset. Next, if you're in a party and don't hear either game or chat volume, open the party and choose Options from the list, and then Audio Settings. Make sure the second slider is somewhere in the middle so it doesn't mute either the game or chat, but you can customize this balance to your preference. The next method is to restart your game if it's just the game that has no sound. To do this, first you'll want to make sure the game is in a safe place to restart. Then open the menu by pressing the Xbox button on the controller whilst in the app. Now find the game on the list in the menu and highlight it, and then press and hold the start button for a few seconds. This is the right of the 2 or 3 middle buttons on the face of the controller. This will bring up a new menu and you need to select the option called Quit. You can now open the game back up and it should have sound. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. As always, I'll keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.